How to scan documents and make a PDF on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can scan document and make PDF on iPhone. Well, the process is simple and easy, so let's get through. First things first, you can go ahead and open up Notes application on your iPhone. You should have it by default. So once you open up Notes, what you can do is you can tap on the new Notes icon. Then here you can see various options, right? You can simply tap on this little pin type icon here at the screen, as you can see here. Then you can see scan document option, tap on scan document. Then you can go ahead and scan any document that you would like to. So I'll click this and you can resize it. Then you can keep scan and then go ahead and tap on save. If you want to add another, you can go ahead and add. Then you can save it as PDF here. So this is how you can easily scan documents and save as PDF on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.